MakerFest is back in 2024, and this could be our biggest event ever. MakerFest isn't any ordinary career fair. It's a 2-day career exposure event that allows businesses like yours to really engage with the students who will soon enter our region's workforce.
Your business has the opportunity to reach over 1,000 high school freshmen and sophomores, show them what it's like to work in your field, and educate them on the jobs in your industry.
Many of our sponsors bring hands-on activities for students to try, which can leave a lasting impact on a teenager when they're deciding on their career path.
There are some major benefits to being a sponsor at MakerFest 2024. You'll get to reach hundreds of students between the ages of 14 and 16 and build excitement about what you do.
This is the prime time to speak to teenagers about their career, as most students older than this already have an idea of what they're going to do after high school.
You also get to meet students one-on-one, answer questions, and give them factual information about what your industry is like.
Many students enter the workforce without ever having the chance to ask these questions.
Who knows? That teenager you talked to in October
May be one of the best hires you ever have.
As a sponsor, you'll host a booth with engaging hands-on activities
And provide a space that allows students to get information and ask questions.
Remember, this isn't just a job fair. Most sponsors prepare activities and demonstrations that can last up to 15 minutes.
And if you're not sure how to prepare an activity, or you think your industry is too boring, we assure you it's not. Many of our previous sponsors have found innovative and creative ways to engage students.
There are 6 sponsorship levels for MakerFest 2024.
If you're unsure which level is right for you, we'd love to chat about your options and see which would be the most effective for your business.
MakerFest 2024 will be held at the Allen County Fairgrounds on October 10th and 11th, 2024.
October will be here fast, so don't wait to sign up.
Visit MakerFestEvent.com to learn more about how your business can be a part of this event.
MakerFest.
Your path.
Your future.